Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to create a second Gmail account on Android phone. Friends, if you want to create another Gmail account on your mobile phone, then you need to open Gmail app. Now here on your Gmail app, press on the profile picture. Now here you will find option add another account. Press on it. Now press on Google. Now here to create a new account, press on create account. Select account type, like I am creating account for personal use, so I am selecting personal use. Now enter your name. And press on next. Now here enter your date of birth and gender and press on next. On next page enter the required email address. So friends, just follow the instructions on the screen and you will create a new Gmail account on your phone. So friends, like this you can very easily create a new Gmail account on your Android phone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.